smile still on your face, asleep in beauty. Exactly 1 year ago, the night I drove down this road, just like back then, snow was lightly falling. I realized